Allow me to ask you a question. How has the technological landscape evolved over the years? It's been a fascinating journey marked by constant change and innovation. Let's take a walk through the different eras of this evolution, which we can categorize into three distinct buckets of technology. First, we have the traditional bucket. This is the era of monolithic architectures and on-premise servers. It's where we started with software development and deployment practices that were reliable but often slow and rigid. This era was defined by a careful balance between innovation and stability, a dance performed on a stage set by the limitations of the technology of the time. Next up is the new wave, or the cloud-native era. This era marked a significant shift in our approach to software development and deployment. We moved away from monolithic architectures, embracing microservices and containerization. The cloud became our playground, offering unparalleled agility, scalability, and cost efficiency. However, this new terrain also brought new challenges, requiring us to rethink our strategies and tools. Finally, we have the serverless era. Here, the focus shifts again, this time towards abstracting away the infrastructure entirely. In this era, developers can focus on writing code, leaving the task of managing servers to the cloud service providers. While this offers incredible convenience and efficiency, it also demands a new level of trust in these providers and a new set of skills to navigate this serverless landscape. Throughout these transitions from traditional to new wave and then to serverless technologies, each era has brought its own unique set of practices and challenges. But one thing remained constant: the need for better, more efficient practices to manage these evolving landscapes. And that's where GitOps comes in. As we moved from traditional to serverless technologies, the need for better, more efficient practices emerged. Enter GitOps. So what exactly is GitOps? Well, imagine if you could apply the principles of Git, version control, collaboration, compliance, and continuous integration and delivery, to infrastructure automation. That's GitOps in a nutshell. It's a paradigm that brings the power of Git to the world of cloud-native and serverless technologies. With GitOps, teams can use the same tools and processes they use for code development for their operational tasks. This not only streamlines the entire process, but also enhances deployment frequency, predictability, and stability. But the real beauty of GitOps lies in how it facilitates the transition to cloud-native and serverless technologies. By automating infrastructure management, it makes the move to the cloud a breeze, paving the way for a new era of software development and deployment. And here's the kicker: GitOps isn't just a tool, it's a conductor, orchestrating the symphony of cloud adoption. It's the guiding force that ensures your journey to the cloud is smooth, efficient, and most importantly, successful. So, in essence, GitOps is not just a tool, but a conductor, orchestrating the symphony of cloud adoption. Now let's delve deeper into how GitOps streamlines cloud adoption. Imagine you're part of a team managing a large-scale online marketplace. Your infrastructure needs to be agile, scalable, and cost-efficient to handle the fluctuating traffic and storage demands. This is where cloud adoption comes into play. It allows you to scale your infrastructure up or down based on need without the hefty costs of maintaining physical servers. However, transitioning to the cloud can be a complex process. This is where GitOps, our trusty conductor, steps in. GitOps applies the principles of Git, version control, collaboration, compliance, and continuous integration and continuous delivery, to infrastructure automation. This means your team can use the same tools and processes they use for code development for their operational tasks. Let's circle back to our online marketplace scenario. With GitOps, your team can manage infrastructure changes through pull requests, just like they would with code. This increases deployment frequency, enabling your marketplace to adapt quickly to changing business needs. Predictability is another major advantage, as GitOps ensures that your infrastructure is always in a known state. But how does GitOps simplify the building and management of cloud-based services? Think of GitOps as a blueprint for modern infrastructure. It provides a clear, auditable record of all changes made to the infrastructure. In our online marketplace scenario, this means that any changes to the cloud infrastructure, be it scaling up during a holiday sale or deploying a new microservice, are tracked and can be easily rolled back if something goes wrong. Furthermore, GitOps can be seen as a lighthouse, guiding deployments and ensuring recoverability. It helps in managing risks in a cloud-native realm. In case of a failure, GitOps can automatically revert to the last known good state, reducing downtime and ensuring your online marketplace stays open for business. With GitOps, catching the cloud becomes a breeze, not a storm. Let's set sail with a tangible example. Imagine a financial services company managing their customer data across several cloud services. They decide to update their data encryption across all services to bolster security. In a pre-GitOps world, this could be a treacherous voyage with manual updates, risking human error and potential data breaches. Enter GitOps. The company uses a Git repository to manage their infrastructure code, automating deployments through a CI/CD pipeline. The update is coded once, reviewed and merged into the main branch. The CI/CD pipeline picks up the change, deploying it across all services systematically. When a flaw in the encryption method is detected, rather than panic, they simply roll back to the previous version of the code in Git, instantly reverting all services to the last secure state. This isn't just theory, it's a practice that keeps the company's digital fleet agile and secure, navigating the cloud seas with the assurance of GitOps as their compass. In summary, GitOps plays an essential role in cloud adoption. As a conductor orchestrating seamless transitions, GitOps harnesses the principles of version control, collaboration, and CI/CD to automate infrastructure, thereby streamlining the move towards cloud-native and serverless technologies. The benefits are multifold: increased deployment frequency, enhanced predictability and stability, to name just a few. Looking ahead, the future of GitOps and cloud technology shines bright. As we continue to innovate, the capabilities of these systems will only expand, becoming even more integral to our digital world. In a realm where agility, scalability, and cost efficiency are prized, the cloud is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Embracing GitOps and cloud technology isn't just about keeping up with the times, it's about seizing the reins of progress, making active strides towards a more efficient, more streamlined future. With GitOps at the helm, we are not just surviving the winds of technological change, but mastering them. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for the next video.